Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a lock pinned by Harry Bow, number 29. It is called Cardboard Box. Here's the bitting on the key. I think it's a 6-pinner. Looks like a champion. Anyway, we are going to be using my new top of the keyway tension wrench. And let's see what we can do. Let's try a different pick here. Saying that nothing is biting. Well, that can't be so. Huh. Ooh, and there we go. We got her. Nice. To be perfectly honest, I don't know how we got her, but we certainly did. So that's a good, fantastic thing. Let's back this up just a wee bit. Not too much because I got a hell of a mess going on here. So I'm going to set that down there. Grab a tray. Okay. And let's see here. Looks like I'm going to need something beautiful. No, I'm just kidding. See if this helps us. No, that doesn't help. That does not help. Well, we do have the key, so. See if this helps. Oh. Yeah. There we go. I hope you saw that whole thing. I actually need to raise this up just a wee bit. There we go. Anyway. Here we go. my follower here. Look at my dumb butt. It's only a 5-penner. That is hilarious. Okay, so here we go, 5-penner. Oh, that looks nice. 2, 3, 4. Nice, and it looks like there's threading in 1. I got this bizarre thing here. I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, nice. All right, let's see what we got up here in the Bible. T-pin, it looks like. Nice spring. Like a standard. Different type of spring. We'll just go through all of these once we get them all out. Oh, another different type of spring. Same spring as number 2. All right, there we go. And I don't think anything has been done to the Bible. There, doesn't look like it. Let's double check though, just to be safe. No, it doesn't look like anything's been done there. So, all right, cool. Let's go and see what we've got here. So it looks like we have a serrated pin on 1, serrated on 2, double serration on 3, a spool but with serrations in it on 4, and one with a single serration on 5. Here we have a T-pin, we have a standard, another T-pin, and a spool. All with different springs. The only springs we have the same are 2 and 4 and 3 and 5. And one is different from all of them. So, fantastic lock Harry bow. Fantastic job. I want to commend you on such a fantastic job. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.